Hi. You know how socks and other small items of clothing can mysteriously vanish from washing machines? Well, I have here a steel ball bearing and a piece of brass tubing. Could I please ask you to just make sure that the ball doesn't fit inside the tube from either end? Now, at this point, you can hand them out to be checked. Now, these might look like ordinary industrial items, but they're not. They're parts from a washing machine. Now, did you also notice that the steel and the brass um, cannot be are not magnetically attracted to each other? Um, that's because brass um, cannot be magnetized. Wait a second. What is this? Okay, don't worry about this. That's just a bit of misdirection. Uh, Two separate industrial items, or two inseparable items. I'll show you what I mean. Would you please hold on to the ball? Did you see it jump back to the tube? No? Wait a second. Okay. All right, it jumped back into my pocket. Phew. Um, for a second there, I thought I lost my bearing. Okay, that was a bad joke. But you see what I mean. Something else I've discovered about these items. If if I mimic the rotation of a washing machine, the ball actually appears to shrink and get sucked into the tube. Now, reversing the motion and the ball expands again. Now, it's just a theory. It's just a theory. And I can't prove anything, but could this explain what happens to small items of clothing? Sorry, just appears to be a bit stuck. I'll just. Oh, okay. I see what's happening here. Okay. Um, it's just a theory.